He lost interest. He's not in the rearview mirror anymore. I'm 100% sure his passenger was telling him to slow down. They are putting in a new cell tower, so pretty soon this area is going to have cell service. It's nice to see that road getting paved. I wish they'd paved this road. Look at the road. Come on, Tennessee. Fix this. Fix the road, Tennessee. You know they won't. That's nice. They didn't say it was going to rain today. How's that going for you? Oh, I found the mower. Oh my goodness. The dump truck drivers cannot be happy about this nonsense. I've got a dump truck behind me, a dump truck in front of me. You know they're losing money. Common sense would say, how about pulling off and letting the traffic by? In this part of Tennessee, there's not going to be much common sense. Not from government workers, anyway. You got two people in the truck in front of me. Two people getting paid on the tax dollars to sit in a truck and follow a mower. What they ought to do is put one of those two people in the truck on a blower cleaning off the freaking road. The truck following the mower should have a blower on the front of it, blowing the debris off the road. You gotta be kidding me, right? They must make pretty good money, because now they're sitting in the truck smoking. Oh, that's no bueno. Wow. Could you imagine if somebody was coming quick around that turn? Just craziness. Somebody got a skunk. Wow, you smell it. Made it. Wish I'd have been paying better attention. I almost missed that passing zone. Those asphalt trucks have a pretty long drive. I don't know where the asphalt plant is, but if you've seen any of my videos, we're in the middle of nowhere. This isn't close to anything. That sun would fight harder to come out. All right, we're going to take us a left here. We're going left on 360 North. I know what you're saying. Even number roads